Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now I'm going to discuss about a novel partitioned random forest method based facial emotion recognition. First, I'm going to discuss about overview of the project. In this project, we build and compare two image classification models using TensorFlow and Keras. We start by loading an image dataset stored in a folder called test. Each subfolder represents a different class label. The images are resized to 180 by 180 pixels and the data set in split into 80% of training and 20% of validation. To understand our data set, we display 5 sample images from the training set along with their class labels. We optimize the data loading using TensorFlow prefetch functionality. This helps load images more effectively during training. Next, we create a custom convolutional neural network using Keras. It involves convolutional layer, pooling layer, and a tens layers. This model is trained for 10 approaches and evaluate on the validation set. We also create a MobileNetV2 based model, but instead of real data, we use randomly generated dummy data with the input size 224 by 225 pixels. This is mainly used for comparing the architecture, not for actual training. After training, we save both models. The CNN model is saved in Keras format and the MobileNet V2 model is saved in H5 format. Finally, we compare the training accuracy of both models using a simple bar chart. This is our abstract of our project. This is our workflow diagram. First, we need to collect the data set from Kaggle and carry out to the pre-processing step, resize the images and carry out to the image splitting, the image split, train and validation and carry out to the model selection. I used convolutional neural network model and MobileNet V2 model and carry out to the model training. Both model are trained and carry out to the save model. Both model are saved and finally prediction. This is our workflow diagram. Now see our demo of our project. This is the register page of the project. The user needs to enter the username, password. All fields are required and checked before submission. After successfully registered, the data is stored in the database. Already the user registered the page directly going to the login page. Check the username and the password. This helps the system secure and prevent unauthorized access. Click login. After login, the user comes to this page. Next prediction page. Click prediction. Click browse files. Select one image. Open. Image is uploaded. Select one model. Click predict and finally predicted. And the next step is first we need to collect the data set. I collect the data set, facial emotion image data set. Click load dataset and show sample images. And the next step is pre-processing. Resize the images And the next step is image splitting to load the data into split the data set. Demonstrate displaying sample images from the training set with the labels and the data set is loaded or displayed. And the next step is model selection. I used convolutional neural network model and MobileNetV2 model. And the next step is model training. Train a CN model, input data recycling, and convolutional 2D plus max pooling layers and the tens layers are used. And the training the CNN model is completed. Next, train MobileNet V2 model and MobileNet V2 model also training is completed. Next, both models are saved and click show accuracy and comparison. This is our comparison graph. Click logout, redirect to the register page.